Namaskar. This is Dr. Piyush from Anthropological Survey of India. Presently, I am heading the Anthropological Survey of India Sub-Regional Center, Jagdalpur, Chhattisgarh. Today, I am here to invite you all to the webinar that is on denotified nomadic and semi-nomadic communities of India. This is a joint venture collaboration with Niti Aayog, Minister of Social Justice and Anthropological Survey of India. We are conducting this work. More than 100 scholars are conducting this work among these denotified nomadic and semi-nomadic communities of India. So we will discuss here those who are less known, the former chairmen of Commission for Denotified Nomadic and Semi-Nomadic Tribes, Honorable Idateji and Honorable Renkeji has discussed a lot in these communities and their experience with you all. So the researcher, the anthropologists are sharing in this platform their experience among these communities. So, yesterday, that is 17th December 2020, two communities were discussed from Punjab, that is Kapadia and Gosavi community. Kapadia community was discussed by Sri Arup Roy, who is an assistant anthropologist from Eastern Regional Center, Kolkata, and Gosavi was discussed by Sri Gautam Malik, who is an assistant anthropologist from Head Office, Kolkata. Both the communities were discussed very vividly, very nicely, and you have got the ideas, and we learned many things from these presentations. Tomorrow, that is on 19th December 2020, two communities will be discussed from Himachal Pradesh. First community will be Bahelia. This will be discussed by Dr. Karuna Shankar Pandey. He is a research associate from Northwest Regional Center, Dehradun, from Anthropological Survey of India. And the second community, that is Bhetkut, will be discussed by Miss Roma Das. She is an assistant anthropologist from Shillong Regional Center, Anthropological Survey of India. Let us watch their messages for you all.
Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Karuna Shankar Pandey. I am working as a research associate cultural at Northwestern Regional Center of Anthropological Survey of India, Dehradun. In this lecture series on denotified communities of India, I am coming with the community Bahelia of Himachal Pradesh. This community is listed in List 2C of Data Commission, which has to be validated whether the community is existing in the respective state or not. In this order, this study was conducted in February 2020 to understand its distribution, present status, livelihood pattern, etc. So, kindly join us on 19 December 2020 at 6 p.m. in this presentation. It is highly expected to you all that you will be joining this presentation on 19th December 2020 at 6 p.m. Thank you. Namaskar.
Everyone, my name is Roma Das and I am working as Assistant Anthropologist in Anthropological Survey of India, Northeast Regional Center, Shillong. And on this ongoing lecture series on denotified, nomadic and semi-nomadic communities of India, I will be presenting one paper on Bhetkut community of Himachal Pradesh. Looking forward to a productive session. Thank you.
So many participants are participating in this webinar, like researchers, administrators, social activists, politicians and academicians. My humble request to all of you that please participate in this webinar and ask your queries, give us ideas. So on the behalf of webinar committee, Anthropological Survey of India Sub-Regional Center, Jagdalpur, on the behalf of speakers, on the behalf of Honorable Director, Anthropological Survey of India, Professor Binoy Kumar Srivastav, I would like to invite you all to join in this webinar tomorrow, that is 19th December 2020, sharp 6 p.m. So thank you all, and I hope your active participation in this webinar. Together we will learn, and together we will make this nation vibrant. Namaskar.